You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. I said correctly. This annoys me that the other videos on YouTube, top videos, say that it's pronounced Pyridostigmine, but no. All dictionaries in English reference the correct pronunciation, which is pyrido, not pyrido. Pyridostigmine. How to pronounce in English correctly, English pronunciation, pyridostigmine. It's easy once you know, pyridostigmine, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.